back to rising, falling, falling. Then a thought comes in. For this, I got a PhD. You know, like, here I went and got all this training and all this, and I'm this intelligent person, and I'm following the breath. Who am I? I better not tell anybody. I mean, it's an embarrassing. Well, what'd you do all summer? Well, I followed the muscle, rising and falling in my abdomen. Don't you have anything more important to do? You see, I mean, you can feel where that is in relation to the cultural context. So I noticed that as another thought, and then I go back, and then rising, falling, falling. Wonder if the 20 minutes is up yet.